Okay, Om Swastiastu. Today we walk together in Meadow Rice Pit with baby rice. It's very wet for the road here and very slippery. Woo. Slowly. White butter.
You put the flour?
In here,
Ya,
that from Leiderindik.
picture ya. You play music? Ya, okay.
Hello. What's your name? Name?
Mila.
Mila. Thank you for coming. Oh, it's nice hair, yeah. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay. Kadang-kadang, 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 kadang-kadang. Toot toot. Oh, like a train, yeah. Ooh. Mila, you why you must be. Om Swastiastu. Okay, thank you, my family, to walk with me and stay with us in Devania. Thank you. I hope you enjoy, yeah.
Amazing.
Thank you.